This is a Creative Grids Bowl Cozy template set. You get two different sizes to make bowl cozies for the microwave. I love that it has two different sizes. And you see those dots? Those are the Creative Grid grip system, and it's also along the edge. Let's see how we can cut fabric to make bowl cozies for the microwave. You get two fabrics, the same size. They tell you in instructions what size. You fold them in half and fold in half again, and then you place the template, they tell you on the template, on the fold. Then you trim around the template. It's just that easy. You're going to do that for both pieces of fabric and for two pieces of cotton batting. Everything must be 100% cotton, no metallic, no polyester because it's going in the microwave. Here's the 100% cotton folded. Now for the cotton batting, I will not use a rotary cutter. Instead, I will mark and then use scissors to cut because it's 4 layers. It just made it easier than trying to get the rotary cutter through all those layers. But you can try that if you want. It's your choice. You're just going to use the template to create the exact same shape to make the bowl cozy. Now you need to make two of these. So that's the first one, and there's the second. Now remember, this is a two-piece template set, so there's a larger bowl cozy, and you just use the exterior template to make the larger size. You just repeat the same process. It doesn't matter. It's just two different sizes. And this is the large size. And now you can see the difference between the large and the small. Then you're going to stitch the fabric to the batting. And you sew it as many times as you want. And then you're going to sew the side seams, just like you see here, those pleats. And now that's the first half of the bow cozy all ready. Now I have two sections and I'm going to sew them together. Sew them right sides together and then you're going to leave an opening. Go all the way around and I'm going to speed it up here so that we can go through this real quick. It's so fast and easy to make a bow cozy using these templates. Now you're going to turn it inside out and you're going to have an opening. Once it's turned inside out and everything is nicely pressed, you're going to stitch all the way around and close that opening. A top stitch. And then the bowl is complete.